Yes,
you,
yes.
the time him
Be my
lick.
baby.
You like our finish, you like finish.
But you see you dirty boy. If you not top text, where you text it for me for?
Same man, I get it.
No man, where man they were that day? Where man they bandala?
Say one sexy one.
We made with a mad boy. Go fuck him, my family.
Oh, you
they
mad,
fuck
boy,
and then they near me.
Oh, you mad,
Tell him
you
again.
mad, you mad
don't know
too.
nothing
Oh,
about
you
me.
mad too.
Pussy, you don't know nothing about me.
Tell him again.
You mad, you mad.
You don't know nothing about them
Oh,
anymore.
you mad too.
What you know?
Family now.
How would I do to you?
Family.
How where him come from, Bandana? Pussy. What you know about him? Him supposed to know everything about me. I yelled me and Bandana. When last part you come.
You mad too.
No.
You mad.
No, me. But after girl, them more than you and me.
Bombi, dog, is that true?
You mad.
Dog, is that true?
You go like you know something.
The girl ever knock you up, doggy. That's
You notice a little dirty man here?
doggy.
A dirty man here. I bet take
Yo.
yeah, you never talk. Imo.
You're really big man, buddy.
How are you guys doing?
Oh, you know what?
Ta.
Dirty man.
No,
Hey, move your look. Me mad? No, oh, no, you know. Why you know about me? You see that blood clot, boy.
You want sex you?
I know me want sex.
Yeah, man, beg no sex.
Who fucking get him
Beg
in
no fuck
one?
mad, man.
Hold on. You know champagne?
Yes.
A few more champagne.
Hello.
Bandala, you blood clot, idiot. I hit me there for. Champagne, you want to be here.
Champagne, you take money.
Champagne, you don't know about me.
Champagne, you take
You
money.
bad old girl. You know fuck fool.
Champagne,
When me, hey, move your blood clot and go, I want a gun for you.
Oh!
Go feed your cow. No, right in my face, Peggy.
Somebody,
Oi. A bandala nephew give you. Me don't know you. What the rascal you go buy rum give me for?
What am I from here?
I down the road you go.
I see her next time. Oh, me, by you. The lie, man, oh man.
Bandala. How would I do see man here?
You must stop video.
I don't mind if you do call to me and a lie.